time at Target, so let's head inside and see what they've got. Now, as I've mentioned before, no Target is the same, so I had to go to, I think it was 3 Target stores, one of which was out of town, when I went to go visit my son in Texas. So their stuff always seems to be ahead of what we have here where I live. But anyway, I want to show you some of the things that I got, well, all all the things that I got from Target. And so let's go ahead and get started with that. The first thing, I got these little pine cones, 2 bags, and they're different. So this one is, as you can see, this one is kind of like the snow flocked, and this one is just a plain pine cone. It has several different sizes of pine cones, and it also has little red berries. So I'm probably going to mix these together, but I also want to try scenting them myself, and I'll probably do a little video on that. But I've seen several videos on it, and I wanted to try it for myself. So I'm going to do that with these. I was excited to find those, and they were $3 a bag, which I guess isn't too bad. Seems like the price of the items in the Bullseye Playground dollar spot from like 2 years ago, the prices have definitely gone up. So anyway, this right here, now they had a good variety of countdown to Christmas kind of items, but I thought this was really cute, and it comes with a little ribbon to hang it, but you basically, this little wreath has these hooks on it, so and it's long enough to where you just slide it in. I'm going to do this backwards, so, alright, there we go. And so you can see, well, 25, 24, I have it upside down actually, hold on. There we go. 24, 23, and you can keep moving it up. So I thought that was cute with the little wreath. And that was, they've made the prices so hard to read. This was $5. Okay. This was so pretty. They had this in the white, and they had this also in a dark green, this size, but then they also had a smaller one that was maybe till like right here, and it was kind of in more of like a light green or mint green maybe. So if you use a lot of those colors, it would be perfect to have 3 together. But I love the white one because it is going to go with something else kind of in a set that I'll show you. But this was $5, and this is a real kind of, I don't know what you call it, like a fleece Christmas tree that's cushiony. It's so pretty. I've never seen anything like this at Target before, but it was $5, and I'm probably going to put it with this, which love. I don't know if you can see it, but it's sparkly. So pretty, and the antlers are silver sparkles. This was actually, and you saw before in the shop with me a little earlier, that this was actually not in the Bullseye Playground. This was actually in what they call the Wonder Shop, which is their Christmas area. But I wanted to show him to you because he was only $5, and they did have this in other colors. Gray was one of them, and I think there was another color, but I don't remember. But anyway, I'm probably going to set these 2 things together. I just think that looks so pretty. So those are 2 of the things I also got. Now this is, they have something similar to this pretty much every year, but this actually has the little tea light in it. So it's battery operated. So you turn it on. This was $5. They had this in a actually they had this in a 2-pack of small houses that were both battery operated, and they also had this in a church figurine, and it was also lighted, and they were also $5. But I just thought this was really pretty. I don't think they have had any of the white ceramic that are battery operated with a little tea light, but they have had these in the past that without the tea light. All right, and the next thing is this pretty lantern, and you can see the snowflakes on it, and it has the little spaces here so that you can put either a candle, a tea light, you could do fairy lights in here, whatever, but I just thought this was so pretty, and it's a pretty good size too.
All right.
Now, every year they have tiered trays, but this one is a little bit different. Never seen one like this one before, but this is actually a very narrow tiered tray, and it has the natural wood, so you could actually stain this if you wanted to. You could spray paint the metal, but anyway, I thought this was really pretty, and it goes along with the whole ski lodge thing that they have going this year. But this was $5 as well. And I like this because it doesn't take up as much depth space on a counter, so I feel like you can do a lot more with that one. All right, they had two different styles of these, and I probably wouldn't have bought these, but there was a shopper there, and she was looking at them, and she kind of talked me into it, so I went ahead and got it. But these are this is in a green, which it doesn't really look green, it looks more blue, but it's actually green, trust me. And this says, "And to all a good night," and it is thyme. It's a thyme grow kit, so it has everything in it that you need to grow some thyme. We all need thyme, don't we? This one I thought was so cute, and it says Christmas tree to be, and it's a little spruce tree. Now it does say it takes germinates in 1 to 2 months, but you can repot it and have it for years to come, or plant it in your yard or whatever. But I thought this was really cute, and these were $3 each. They actually had a different style of pot. The other pot they had was like more of a ceramic pot rather than the metal pail. So anyway, I got those two, and they were, like I said, $3 each. They had this pretty flocked tree, which I think they pretty much have every year. But yeah, this is a tree with fabric base, and actually they price their flock trees, or their trees like this. I think they price them pretty good. This is only $3, and it has a green and black buffalo check fabric around the base of it, and it's a heavy base, so it'll stay put. So yeah, that was $3. They had these are really cute. If you love to do crafts, these are mini wreaths, and they're boxwood wreaths, and you get 3 of them for $3, so $1 a piece, which I guess isn't that great, but it beats having to make it yourself, right? But anyway, 3 little mini wreaths for $3. They had a lot of different ornaments, but a lot of them were like the ski lodge ornaments, the skis, the snowshoes, that kind of thing. But I did get these 2 houses, metal houses. They have the little tree and the wreath on the top. They have the white roofs. This one looks more snowed on. This just looks white. But anyway, I thought these were so cute. It's closed on the bottom, so you can't really put a tea light in it. But if you got several of these together, you could string fairy lights and make you a little village. That would be really cute. So yeah, but these were, I want to say $3 each. And these were not in the Bullseye playground. They were in the Wonder Shop in all of the ornaments. And yes, they were $3 each. They had a bunch more, but these were 2 that struck my eye the most. So yeah, those were $3. This was in the Bullseye playground. He was really cute. A little deer with the, I think you could probably adjust the legs, but I don't really know. But anyway, he was $3. It's really cute. And let's see. Of course, gnomes is all the rage last year and I think this year. So they, of course, did have gnomes. I got these two. I had a couple different other ones, but these are the two that I liked the most. And they were only $1 a piece. And they're really cute. So, got these two guys. Now, you saw in the video the white skis, and you saw in the background the darker wood. And I think they have a natural wood as well, but I liked this kind of stained looking wood skis with the ski poles. So I got that. That was $5. And you can hang it. It does have the twine on it. Or you can set it down. I don't know. Whatever is your preference. And then they had a bunch of signs. And I liked this one. It says, "Meet me under the mistletoe." You really can't see where it says under the. But meet me under the mistletoe. And it has the twine so you can hang it. And this was $5. But I thought this was really cute. And like I said, they had a bunch of different other signs, but this one I thought was really cute. And then last but not least, they had this. Now, I have not seen this only in one store, and they had like 4. So if you see it, grab it because it'll be gone. But so cute. It says "Letters to Santa," and this opens up so that Santa can get the letters out. And then, of course, you drop your letter to Santa in the mail slot, and he can get the mail to know what you want for Christmas. So I thought this was so cute, and this was $5. And this is actually, I feel like this is a good size, but just pay attention to when you get it. Make sure it's not dented, or because sometimes these things get damaged in transit. So yeah, and you can actually hang it on the wall because it has these 2 holes in the back for you to hang it. But anyway, I thought that was so cute. So that is what I got. Now, they offer so much more, which you saw earlier. They offer so much, but you know, sometimes you just have to draw the line somewhere. And so I did. These are the things that appealed to me the most based on my decor for Christmas. And so yeah, that's what I got. And if you've been to Target, if you've seen anything different that I have not showed either in the Shop With Me video or right now, let me know in the comments below. And also, what of this do you like? There's so many things that I can't pick a favorite, but yeah, that's kind of what is at Target this year. And so yeah, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to click the bell button because it lets you know every time I upload a new video. And click the like button because it really does help me out with YouTube and it helps my channel. So anyway, I hope you guys have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Bye!